A new Fox Business poll shows a majority of Americans say 2021 was a bad year for America. The same poll also shows 55% of voters believe 2021 was bad for them personally, amid high inflation, supply chain issues, rising crime, and, of course, this deadly pandemic. Meanwhile, President Biden's job approval rating takes another hit. New PBS NewsHour NPR Marist poll shows just 41% of voters approve of the president's job performance. This is a new low for this survey. Dagen, McDowell, your thoughts on the year that was and Joe Biden's performance?
Americans hate inflation, and it took off like we haven't seen in 40 years, or almost 40 years, since Ronald Reagan was the president. And the fact that that has been lost all along on the Democrats is just mind-boggling, that they wouldn't understand that it not only is a hardship, it's an inconvenience, inflation is, for the wealthy, for the chattering classes. But it is a hardship for a large swath of the country, number one. Number two, more Americans have died from COVID under Biden than in 2020, despite the fact that there were multiple vaccines available. And at every turn, when this White House has screwed up, their gut instinct is to lie over and over and over again to the American people. When they get caught in an untenable situation, they lie. Whether it's about the border, whether it's about Afghanistan, whether it's about inflation, this Build Back Better monstrosity, and I think Americans are just sick of it.